Today we're going to talk about and show you a simple tool to help you unclog your filament 3D printers. See you guys inside. Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Today we are going to talk about a simple tool to help you unclog your filament 3D printers. This is the No Clogger. So it is a tool available on Amazon, many sites that you can get this tool, and its one sole purpose is to unclog filament printers. It works really great with direct drives. It's really simple because you don't have to move the Bowden tube out of the way. But if you don't want to try changing out the nozzle or having to replace your full hot end or any of that kind of stuff, this may be the very simple tool for you. So I'm going to show you a demonstration of how to use this tool and then briefly kind of talk about it. But if you guys are interested in more tools and different things like this on this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button if you're new here. Give that thumbs up. Helps us out anytime you guys do that. And also, it's one of those things, if you guys are very curious about this tool and many more, post it down in the comments down below of problem you're having, and let's see if there's a tools out there to help you figure it out. So without further ado, let's change this view and take a look at what this tool can do. All right, guys, so the No Clogger, simple, very simple tool. 3D printing is involved in creating the tool, which is very, very great. And it's one of those things, it makes it a really good tool to allow you to reuse and continue using a nozzle, because there's nothing worse than having a nozzle. You just put it on and it clogs immediately, and it's like, darn it, I got to get rid of this thing again. And one of the things that I used to do quite a bit was, instead of dealing with the clog, I just swapped the nozzle. It was just faster sometimes. The No Clogger makes this really easy. You guys can see here the QR code. Download your safety cap for your No Clogger if you need to print a new one, because honestly, things get lost. And this is the paperwork that comes in your box. So kind of handy, easy to use. They do send you and keep away from your kids, they do send you a razor blade to help keep the end of it clean. Would have been nice if a 3D printed handle or something came along with this, but I get it. Very simple, very pre-packed, very not going to hurt you right out of the box. But this is used to help keep the tip of your No Clogger clean from other particles, because the worst thing you can do is use this tool and push other particles from another printer into your machine you're trying to clean up and cause an even bigger problem. But further ado, we're here to see this tool. So this is the No Clogger. Very simple, very clean. You pop this off, and there's the tip that goes into your nozzle. The point is convex, just like the inside of your nozzle, to help keep your nozzle clean and help push anything that's in that nozzle out through the hole. Now, very simple to use. This is a hot end off of a Neptune 3, just one I had laying around. So basically, I'm doing this because I didn't want to take you guys out into the noisy print shop to do this. And I don't have a clogged machine while currently making this video, but let's just put it this way. I have 3 of these in my print shop. I use these a lot. They're handy and allow me to clean a machine, get back to printing really quickly. And all you do is heat your hot end, heat it up. You guys can see this one is a used one. I have been using it. And all you do, especially for your direct drives, pull your trigger back and then just press this on in. Now this one does have a clog. The best way and the most important thing is it's gotta be hot, guys. If it's not hot, this isn't gonna work. And you push that on through until all your material comes out to the end. And then make sure you're pulling on your trigger. You pull this guy out really quickly, or some people have cooled it off with this in the machine and done a cold pull. I don't really have to use a cold pull very often, and it's not something I would want to ideally do with this tool, but I totally get why it's necessary. That cold pull, anything after it cools off, any material that's stuck in there should be stuck to this and should pull free. I've honestly never had to do a cold pull with it, but it is a tool, an option. And, you know, we've all seen things like cleaning filaments and different things like this. Honestly, this is my go-to. For the last year since I bought my first one, this one has been provided by them. Since I bought my first one, it just saves me so much time. It works best on direct drive because you can just pop it right back in. I use this on my Neptune 3 Maxes. I've got 3 of them out there I use this on. I use this on my Odin F2, and I've even used this on my Bamboo Lab X1 Carbons, A1, whatever machine I need to use it on to get unclogged quickly without having to basically rip my machine down and get nozzles off. And some of these machines, you can't even replace the nozzle anymore. You got to replace the whole odd ends. So really good tool, really good value saver money-wise for me. I mean, this tool I think is $15 on Amazon. There is a link down in the description down below. Go click that link, help us out there as well. But a tool that is worth your time is definitely taking a look at the No Clogger. So thank you guys. Hope you enjoyed. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that thumbs up if you enjoyed this content and want to see more handy tool tips to go into your print shop. So thank you guys. We'll catch you in the next video.